Hi team, great job today at day 2 of the Foundations of Reading and Reading Specialist webinar. Nice work. I have posted everything from day 2 here. You can go to this page, you can start working through these over the next 24 hours before tomorrow's class, day 3's class. I'm going to give a couple of suggestions for teachers, especially new teachers that are in the class right now. One thing you could do between now and tomorrow is one thing you could do. You could go and you can watch those essay videos again. Essay 1 and Essay 2, because that's 20% of your exam are your essays. And if you're new to this, if you had one thing you could do before the 3rd session, it would be to review the essays. That's one thing you could do. Another thing you could do, you could watch some of those videos that we didn't include in the class, like Concepts of Print or Phonics, the encoding section. Those are 2 classes that you could watch before the 3rd session. I'll give you one more suggestion, and this is for anybody in the group here, whether you're a reading specialist or you're a new teacher. I'm going to go back to the pre-workshop homework page real quick. Click on this link for pre-workshop homework. And on this page here, it has the terms. You can go through these terms again as a 3rd activity. Sometimes this might be the most simplest and the best one to do. And just sort of as you go through these terms, just review all the terms that we went through over the first 2 days. Like, did we talk about phonological awareness or phonemes, alliteration, onset rhyme? Go through these core ideas because remember, this is the language that's going to be on your test. You can go through the pre-workshop homework, review some of this core language. It doesn't matter if you're taking the Foundations of Reading 90, 190, or the Reading Specialist 62 exam. This is the core language that's going to be on your test. So just going through this list of vocab words before day 3, or going through the flashcards before day 3. Here's one for you before day 3, reading over putting reading first. These are things you could do to help you prepare for our last session. So I encourage you, team. I want to get you ready to pass this, okay? So choose one of these things. Review the vocab, right? Go to the video page, watch those class recordings. These are things you can do before our last session. Okay, team, I'll be seeing you tomorrow, the whole group, at 5 p.m. for our 3rd session. Have a great day, team. Oh, and make sure you get in those team flags. Send in your team flag. Those posters. I've already gotten a couple of great ones, but make sure you get your posters in. Look at the creativity on this one. This is off the charts. Send in your poster. Remember, original name, 5 colors, over the top positive. It's due Sunday tonight at 10 p.m. All right, team. See you later. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. This spring, GOHacademy is turning all the workshops into webinars. These classes are going to be covering the same material as a regular workshop. We're going to do them in 7 hours, and they're held on Saturdays and Sundays in the morning. I encourage you to check out a webinar. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful.